Howdy cowpokes and cowgirls. Today we're gonna teach you how to lasso yourself a nice heifer. First thing you gotta do, get yourself a little rope like this in your circle and get it swinging over your head like so. And then you gotta find that heifer and go ahead and get that heifer.
Alan, quit messing around. We're here for a fast tour.
Oh, really?
This place is legendary. Sipping on gin and juice.
Lay back with my mind on my
Mooney
and my money on my
Mooney. The movie barn. Watch yourself some movie flicks. The grazing station.
I like my steaks medium rare.
What? This deck is utterly relaxing.
Ooh, look at all this counter space for butchering steaks out in
What?
preparing hay.
That's what I thought. Hoofing it. The snuggle stall. Milk and rinse station. The hayloft. Heifer Haven. Mood run.
Gross. Get a stall.
Hoofing it. Past your prime time room. Cow pie spa. Moo Manor. Moo yeah.
Hey, you forgot the bovine bubble bait.
I'm stuck. Bovine bunkhouse. Cowbells and cocktails.
Drinks well with others.
Hoofing it.
Listen, someone needs to send help. I don't want to do these fast tours with Jason.
Coming.
Jason?
If you want to see this out, you know what to do. Hit me up on the old AOL machine. Yeah, baby.